XRP is prepared to truly explode by way of December, and I consider proper now as one among your ultimate opportunities to go online XRP so that you can solidify your position at a totally appealing price and make a boatload of coins. And I'm going to be explaining why in present day video. So what I need you to do is like this so absolutely all and sundry sees it due to the fact this is a crucial replace which is going to make us all a whole lot of money if we pay attention very close. Smash that like button, permits get into it. So I'm going to begin by saying a number of the predictions happening social media for XRP specifically have been definitely insane. I mean, we've got humans pronouncing that inside or by means of the cease of this 12 months XRP 123024 is going to be hitting approximately $58 in step with coin or go up greater than 11,627% from ultra modern expenses. Now that is loads more than a 23x, and the fee that I'm supplying you with men I think is pretty a piece greater practical and is primarily based on loads greater data. I will say you men got to be truly cautious not to fall for those forms of bogus fee predictions that don't honestly have lots backing them. I mean, it's just one large chart displaying a 76,000% benefit, which sure we did do again in 2017 to 2018. Absolute. We recognize it's far certainly within the realm of opportunity. However, we want to be sensible at the identical time. The crypto space is so much larger, so much extra established now than it turned into return then. And so I do assume that a 23x is definitely plenty much more likely. And nicely proper now, without a doubt, at this very second, there's a high quality buying possibility. And I want to display you guys how in the quick time period you men can genuinely make probable plenty greater than 23x to your money. And I just want to begin by showing you men something very specific. If we cross lower back to the 30th of July after we had an outstanding run up, we saw XRP pass from 38 cents at a low inside the beginning of July all the way as much as around 64 cents according to XRP toward the quit of that month. Of root, the subsequent month right here in August, we did see a large, massive correction. We went from 65 cents right here all the way backpedal to 43 cents. That is a phenomenal correction. I imply if you men have been around at this time, you know better than anyone that this felt genuinely horrible. Blood changed into it, the streets, human beings were panicking. But here's the aspect, guys. These varieties of conditions constantly present a ton of opportunity. And now I want to show you something, okay? Does this appearance acquainted? Look right here, this simply happened. Okay, I want to make this very clean. This befell 30th September, yet again, cease of the month. Huge correction into October. And I want to go return simply once more. The time frame and the whole thing is just unreal proper. End of July into the brand new month, August, big correction. We quite literally simply had the equal element. Now we got appearance back at what took place the ultimate time we had a correction of this value and definitely every unmarried other time. We had nearly without delay some big green candles, and if you think in the fact that we're clearly touching a better low right here, which means that on the uptick there is loads greater potential for fee motion. I imply right here we had a top of 66 cents per coin in place of 65 cents lower back in July, which I just showed you. Then we hit a bottom of 51 cents in place of the 40 cents that we had formerly. So this is a higher excessive and a higher low, really bullish. That is, all of us knows if we're in a fashion like that, that means that we're very likely to break out and in reality move beyond our previous highs. And so for that reason, if you guys are looking to open a 5x long function on XRP proper now, I think it is a phenomenal concept. I did this very recently. I unfolded two positions, which you may virtually see on display proper here, but right now is truly, I agree with, an ideal time to accomplish that. And I might sincerely go as a long way as to mention that a 10x long function is genuinely within the playing cards here. If you guys want to do that, ensure you use my Margex hyperlink to open up that role because you are going to get loose XRP for trading XRP. Now, one more honestly important component proper right here, earlier than we cross a bit further return, and I can in reality show to you men that there may be honestly excessive risk, quite a few humans are going to make plenty of money with lengthy positions, is the stochastic RSIK. This indicator is correct 9 out of 10 instances. If you look right here, right on the lowest, whilst the blue line officially went above that we are starting an uptrend, that was when we hit our rock bottom, I agree with, of this month. And I assume the relaxation of the month we are going to be correcting to the upside. Now, I'm going to reveal you guys a few other examples of whilst this has certainly came about, okay, when we really noticed pink candles of a comparable significance, which was accompanied, of course, by means of some of inexperienced candles. And make no mistake, we are in an undergo marketplace. Now, of direction, the remaining time we noticed this manifest in April, we traded at this stage. However, what you will be aware is yet again, stochastic RSI is telling you proper here to shop for. This is while we have been at 48 cents, 46 cents consistent with coin. You just maintain that function for a little, even as we're already as much as 57 cents only a couple days later. You are capable of near a function with even simply 5x leverage of over 50% profitability over the root of 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. You're preserving for per week, but here's the element. considering the fact that April we've got without a doubt been hitting, like I was bringing up, better highs and better lows because of this, that the ceiling is a lot better. That's essentially what it means, and each single time, even right here. You'll see there has been an exceptional possibility at the start of July here to buy, and following that, oh my goodness, if you acquire right here at 38 cents, when the stochastic RSI was essentially screaming at you to shop for, and you offered proper right here at 63 cents, guys, that is like, you were actually capable of like 5x your cash with 10x leverage right here. It is actually absurd. The form of charge motion you can see right here. For that purpose, all of you guys watching this video, if you are not futures buying and selling in a bull marketplace, I can assure you somebody else is going to be doing that. They're going to be making plenty of cash. In reality, I can see all of my affiliates who are currently trading, and also you men are making some insane cash. So shout out to lots of you guys who are listening to what I'm saying here and establishing up these positions. I mean, it changed into simply in August that we made more than $10,000. September over again, a first-rate month. I do assume that October goes to be some distance better, although, because you already know all matters taken into consideration, September was a little bit slower, I would say, than some different months. You understand it took a touch bit longer for us to see us, but just examine this, okay? Just observe this. Even in September, right here, we are at 50 cents per coin. Then we pass, you recognize 51 cents. And proper at 51 cents, men, this is what the stochastic RSI is telling you to buy in September. We move over to the overbought region on the top of the stochastic RSI proper here. This is when XRP changed into at 60 cents per coin, right? You promote there, you made a lot of cash. If you desire to hold for a little bit longer, it's your desire. This turned into a hard decision to make. A lot of surprising information took place, but you realize now not even selling the pinnacle, right? You're simply selling at 60 cents, which we did by the manner in this channel. I opened up these positions. You should go to my Discord and observe the positions yourself. I actually did the whole issue. So be part of my Discord so you can see this, however 51 cents, 60 cents increase. That is insane with 5x leverage. You guys do not know how. You may want to 2x your money so smooth. And so another time I just want to factor out these opportunities wherein we are inside the oversold zone. They don't arise very frequently. So I just need to ensure that every one of you watching this video can strike this opportunity, and there is no better area to try this than Margex, the use of my hyperlink, because all over again, you men are going to get bonus XRP and USDT. Just for buying and selling the usage of my link, and it's miles extra than some other changes supplying proper now. So do yourself a desire, create a Margex account if you have not already. If you have used my link, outstanding. So open up a 5x long trade and sit down this one out. I suppose 7 days, perhaps 10 days max, and your function is going to be 50% or greater in earnings. And then if you wait even further into the later months of the 12 months in December, year C's type of rallies that we see, yes, I guarantee you men, we're going to have a few 23x positions. However, you have to begin by means of shopping for today and learning the fundamentals these days. Nothing is going to change until you take motion to your life. And that is why I'm providing you with, guys, this facts. Teach a man to fish, he eats for a lifetime.